Jeffrey ekitala kitadde wa ndabanga bagenda osembera
Matimba.
Jeffrey utalese ekitala Edith oli mu camera awo wenyini wetwagala
did sit, and we said this NEC is the one that endorsed Honorable Mpuuga. The NEC rescinded that endorsement. So we took action as a party. We also relinquished him of the position of Deputy President of the party. So no one can say that as a party we just talked about these things. Yeah, we did take action. And as we were making the alarm, while some people were saying this is an internal fight of NUP, we are glad that now it's been realized not to be an internal fight. And our colleagues in the NRM have come on board because they are members. They are saying, what the Honorable Ssenyonyi and others are saying is that NUP has spoken out about their commission. But even them in the NRM, they have actually 3 commissioners, and they are saying they also want action taken against their many commissioners. And we are glad we are moving in that direction.